In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a landing page on system.io for free. To begin, go to your system.io dashboard and look at the top navigation menu. From there, click on Funnels. This is where you will create and manage the pages used to collect leads and guide visitors through your offer. Once you are inside the Funnels section, move to the top right corner and click Create. A setup window will appear, and this is where you will define the basic structure of your funnel. Enter a name for your funnel so it is easy to recognize later. Then choose the Build an Audience option. This type of funnel is designed for lead capture, which makes it a good choice for a simple landing page. After that, click Save. Now open your new funnel by clicking on its name. This will take you to the funnel dashboard, where you can manage each page inside the funnel. On the left-hand side, select Opt-in Page. This is the main landing page that visitors will see first, and it is usually where they enter their information. System.io will show you a list of available templates. Browse through the free options and choose the one that best matches the style you want. When you find one you like, click Select. Do not worry too much about getting the perfect design right away, because you can customize it in the next step. After selecting your template, click the Edit Page icon on the right side. It looks like a magic wand. This opens the Visual Page Editor, where you can change the content and design without needing any coding. Start by clicking on the existing text boxes. Replace the default text with your own headline and body copy. Keep your message clear and direct so visitors immediately understand what the page is about and what action they should take. Next, if you want to change the visuals, click on any background section or image placeholder. Then look over to the left panel where you will have the option to upload your own media files. This is a simple way to make the page match your brand or offer. If you want to add more content, use the drag and drop elements in the left sidebar. You can place new elements directly onto the canvas and arrange them where you want. This gives you flexibility to shape the layout and make the page look more polished. That covers everything you need to know.